Intro, Captain. $1.2 billion verified on my little side project. 62% of my $1 million goals completed, and a bunch of useless features. This is what's waiting for you in this video. Let's get the ball rolling. It's a stupid project, Peter. Go.
2 million views and 3,000 likes.
It has been one of the craziest months in my life. I'm making a product plan cover. 50 millions of transactions.
This is the moment. Publish every freaking week.
I think this one is easy. I would have said exactly the opposite. You were about to go for a walk. You're gonna spend the next 15 minutes on this site. Did he make more money than the one on the left? Never bet against your husband, never.
I'm exiting.
Are you giving up?
I'm giving up.
Okay, it's time to launch this on Twitter. I'm stressed. It's a stupid project, Peter. This is it. So this is a little game people play against Warren Buffett. Well, we basically don't see much here, but wow, that's the proof that I don't know anything about cameras. And then they have to choose which one actually made money. And so all of these are like real websites, and they have verified revenue with Stripe. And the goal is to find the ones that are actually making the most money. And then they have a counter at the top that grows. And then if they manage to make 5 bets in a row without losing, then they win the game. This is an extension of this original idea of having Stripe verified startups. Yeah, I don't know. Well, I guess we'll see where that goes. About to hit publish right now.
This is the moment. Publish every freaking where.
This is it. This will be a complete flop, I think. All right, now we're live. This is in the end of the Twitter algorithm. Let's see what that goes.
It's 3 degrees today and Mark is gonna do surf.
I think it's the coldest surf I've ever done in my entire life.
Look at you, fully covered.
First time.
Wow, so let's go.
Yeah. Oh yes, get it. LFG. Let's go.
Are you baking?
I'm vaping. I'm vibing.
Even grasses and the ices. Go. The cold ocean?
Dude, yeah, it's gonna be freezing as fuck, Peter. My hands are already frozen even though I haven't started. And I think it has been one of the craziest months in my life. It's insane. I gotta show you this. About a month ago, I announced that the prices for my SaaS are going to double by the end of the month. And what ended up being a growth in the monthly recurring revenue, which was kind of expected because, well, the prices are going to double because you could lock in a discounted price forever. So it kind of makes sense. What I didn't expect is the fact that after the price doubled, the growth increased.
At the current time recording this video, this is 12,000 monthly recurring revenue, which is
60% of the completion already, which is insane because since the last time we made this video, I think it grew by like about 50%. But now if we look at
this chart, this is the MRR
over the past 4 weeks,
this is when the price doubled.
and the growth too, which it's absurd to me. I really don't understand why, but I see big famous entrepreneurs who always mention that increasing price usually increases revenue. So that's exactly what I did because I've shipped so many features. I guess it's somehow working for some reason. And I also checked in about who are those new customers coming in. To my surprise, those are people who have no idea who I am. I also realized that Datafast just welcomed its first maxed out plan customer, which is someone on a over 10 million events per month growth plan, which is $399 per month, which makes a significant chunk of the revenue. And that makes me happy because I hope that at some point this product will just get out of our little indie market and some other companies will discover it if I just keep focusing on shipping new features. And I think what worked too is the fact that because of the launch of this previous fun experiment Trust MRR,
where I plugged Datafast right here, these brought a lot of visitors. The launch tweet is now currently sitting at 2 million views and 3,000 likes.
so I can grow Datafast while just having fun building this little side project. I think there is something to be made with Trust MRR. I think if I dig deeper, I can find something. I don't really know what it is, but I have a feeling that eventually these could become not just like one spike that stays, for the launch tweet and then it fades. But I have a feeling these could stay maybe forever, or at least maybe for a couple years if I play well. My guess here is I'm making a product hunt killer. That sounds weird like that, but the idea is, if you think about it, product hunt, the state of it is where you can launch products. It's somehow flooded. You can pay to get people to upvote your launch, so you can get higher if you spend more money. If you know someone famous that can hunt your products, you can add them to the hunt page and it will push your product up. I have a feeling that this is not how it should work now. So what I'm gonna do is, instead, I'm gonna make my own version of product hunt, but based on your revenue and growth in Stripe. So basically, no matter who you are, as long as you have some growth at a higher rate than another website, it's just gonna rank higher. I'm trying to think about the dynamic and how that would work. So I'm gonna have a little pause on working directly on Datafast, and instead I'm gonna work on this little side project and hope that on the long term, this could be a channel to bring people to discover Datafast. And hopefully that can help a lot of people launching startups who, would get some traffic through this little side project. And yep, I think we're late for the gym. It's time to work out and ship. Cheers.
Budget track. Way.
What? This is the first time I see a 8-figure businesses on Trust MRR.
This guy right here, Stack Influence 20 million.
That's crazy. I just looked at the guy who made this. The dude has 440 followers. It's crazy. Now that I run multiple businesses where I get to discover other types of businesses, I realized that you can literally make something valuable for people and get paid for it with just about anything. I see founders that are absolutely anonymous. It makes me realize that if you just make stuff that is useful and you stick to it long enough, it will work. It's insane. It's really insane. 50 millions of transactions and 7 million in the last 30 days. This is the latest startup added to Trust MRR. This is crazy to me. This is basically Gumroad's revenue verified on my little startup. So if you are in the tech world, you probably have heard of Gumroad. It's a massive company that helps people sell anything on the internet. It's been around for 15 years. The creator is super big. They paid out around $1 billion to creators. And since I launched the Stripe verified revenue thing a couple days ago, the CEO reached out and wanted to have his verified Trust MRR page for Gumroad, which is insane to me. Sahil, the founder of Gumroad, the story is amazing. Literally, this started as a weekend project. He was solving his own problems. He couldn't find an easy way to sell his drawing online. That's why he started Gumroad. And it ended up being this big company that it is today. So this is super inspiring. And at the same time, I hope that if big companies trust MRR, maybe some other famous entrepreneurs would also want to share their revenue publicly on Trust MRR, which brings Trust MRR to a place where you can just go get inspired from seeing what's worked for other entrepreneurs. I hope that's the first domino of something maybe bigger. I gotta record this for the YouTube channel as well, making a little vlog on this. And then my wife was a current teacher, so she was paying for the, all the like daily stuff. That's how I ended up having enough time to build some project that ended up taking off enough to pay for the bills. Okay, it's a little teaser, but someone messaged me this morning and told me about an app idea that I had no idea how to build. So I might be shipping something completely new in the next week. People's viewpoints, people's feedbacks is about everything, and you guys are next to each other. So you can have direct, instant feedback, even though you don't necessarily have an audience on Twitter. So I think this is valuable, this is amazing, and it's just a matter of keep shipping the startups. This is something I've been working on for weeks for now. I have dragged a little bit this because, Trust MRR project just took off randomly. But now, if you're using Shopify, you can integrate with Datafast. That means you can see the revenue map. That means you're going to see whenever someone purchase your e-com products, it's going to also add like revenue attribution, which country, traffic source, browser, whatever people use to buy on your Shopify store is going to show up right here in your Datafast dashboard. What I'm doing here is I'm trying to think what is the thing that will make Datafast unique and that will bring Datafast from where it is right now, which is around 12,000 in monthly recurring revenue, to hopefully 20,000 monthly recurring revenue for the $1 million goal. And I think it comes to integrations. So Shopify was the #1 most requested platform, which is done now. And the next one on the list is Paddle. Well, I guess only the next videos will be able to tell if this is delusional or if this is right and this end up growing my little piece of software.
Oh wow, 잘했어?
What is yours? How old are you right now?
I'm 18.1.
You're 18.1?
Yeah?
Holy shit. I thought I would win this competition, but she's still winning. Damn it, I gotta work out and walk even more than her.
Hello builder. What is this?
Never add this to the YouTube channel.
So Brian Johnson is crying.
We do not eat sugar here.
Sugar is poison. You just show your wood age and we made a comparison and you're giving up? So I had a course for a whole day in a different city. It takes like 1 hour to come here. And Mark saved me not to have an accident, so he drove me here. And he was working at the cafe the whole day.
Shipping, husband, taxi driver, lots of hats here.
Thank you so much. You're the best. So we hit 10K and finally we decide to go to vacation. How do you feel?
3 days. A holiday. No computer.
When was your last holiday?
I don't remember. I think Mumbai, India.
6 months
months
ago?
ago.
Wow. So what do you want to do on your vacation?
Workouts.
Workout?
Walk with you and workouts.
Wow.
Walk workouts. The
www.com. Let's make the vacation come tomorrow. Stay tuned. What adventure are you inviting me to? He's gonna hide my corpse somewhere. It's scary.